Hello folks, this is a correction to video segments 7. Okay, so uh, I after I did the video segment 9, I realized that there is an issue when you import your properties, composite properties based on zones. Let me go ahead, talk about video segment 9. I did a problem which was similar to this, a little bit more complicated, but I also had com some results to compare to from a reference that I'm citing there. So when I imported my properties based on zones, the number that I got for the maximum deflection was not the same as what I had as a reference by somebody else. Then I realized that if you import the results based on plies, you get exactly the same number. Therefore, there is an issue with importing results for FEA calculations or importing properties, composite properties for FEA calculations based on zone method. So this is where this correction comes into the picture. The previous video segment 7, I did this problem that you see exactly right in front of you based on zone method, and it worked and I got a deflection, but I had nothing to compare it to. But I know for sure that number that I got for you as far as deflection goes is wrong because of what I just said. Next video, I don't get the exact or the reference value from another source. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go where I left off in video 7, which was right here. I got this number for you, 0.638 millimeter. What you see here is deflection based on uh, zone method and laminates. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go and double click on imported composite property, which is right now by zone. It was by zone in video 7. So I'm going to change this thing to plies. Then I'm going to select my ply, go up there from the tree, say ply group 1, say OK. This was unchecked just like that other segment. Okay. Do the other property, imported property, by ply, select ply group 2, say OK. So the only difference between what I have now, I'm going to run an analysis, and what I had before is that in one case, zones were imported, and I got 0.638 millimeter. And now, instead of zones, plies are being imported. I did ply groups, automatically brings the plies for you. So let's run it and see what we get. Deflection, 0.095. Remember what it was when I did based on zones? It was 0.638 millimeter. I know this is right. The other one is not, because of the next video segment number 9, that I had something to compare it to and it did not match, and I knew there was something wrong. I take it for granted that the results reported from the other source was correct. Then I realized that the key is not to trust that imported property based on zones. What can I do? I have to uh, bite the bullet and eat my words, because there is nothing on internet which actually tells you these things. When I say internet, I mean open, free literature. Good luck, and my apologies for that incorrect deflection that I got in video 7. This is right.